For centuries, people have used standard tank water heaters that heat and store large volumes of water, and tankless water heaters that heat water on demand. In 2006, Grand Hall introduced a new type of water heater, the Eternal Hybrid. The Eternal's patented hybrid design combines the best of both tank and tankless technologies to deliver endless and consistent hot water with up to 98% efficiency. To understand how the different water heaters work, let's take a closer look at the tank, tankless, and hybrid models. Traditional tank water heaters constantly heat and store 40 to 80 gallons of water in a heavy metal cylinder. As water enters the cylinder from the top, it is heated by a circular burner at the bottom of the tank. Tremendous energy is required to heat the large volume of water, so the burner runs continuously, even when hot water is not being used. The exhaust from the unused heat is released through a centralized flue. Over time, particles found naturally in water, such as limescale, begin to settle at the bottom of the tank. When the sediment solidifies and forms a thick layer, it becomes harder for the burner to heat water efficiently. Eventually, the storage container becomes weak and could fail. Standard tank water heaters provide a large quantity of hot water for a limited time. However, they are less efficient than other water heating solutions and require a lengthy recovery time after the tank is emptied. First developed in the 1800s, tankless water heaters, also known as on-demand water heaters, produce hot water without storage. They heat water by forcing it through a series of tightly packed coils. As the water flows through the maze of coils, the ribbon burners will adjust to demand and fire at 25, 50, 75, or 100%. If the unit does not fire at 100%, the distribution of heat is uneven, which reduces overall efficiency. In order to negotiate all the tight turns within the coils, the system must reduce the water's flow speed and pressure. When multiple faucets are running, the water pressure will decrease dramatically, so the tankless burner can keep up with demand, which may cause the water temperature to fluctuate. Like the tank, tankless systems are susceptible to limescale buildup and corrosion. If the coil in the heat exchanger is not maintained, it will be clogged by naturally occurring particles in water. Over time, the buildup reduces the tankless unit's efficiency, and the coils start to corrode. To prevent scale buildup, annual flushing and maintenance are recommended, which can be expensive. Now, let's look at the Eternal Hybrid Water Heater. Eternal provides endless hot water like a tankless, but has a small reserve tank inside to supply consistent hot water without compromising water pressure. As water flows into the patented heat exchanger from the bottom up, it quickly surrounds the straight heat transfer pipes that have no twists and turns. The burner comes on only when demand for hot water is detected, and advanced safety controls determine if the water is hotter than your setting. The stainless steel heat exchanger and counterflow design also reduce scale and sediment buildup. If the water temperature is hotter than the desired set temperature, the mixing valve injects a small amount of cold water before the water leaves the unit. To understand how Eternal's high efficiency is achieved, let's remove the water lines and take a closer look at the infrared burner located in the center of the heat exchanger. When the burner activates, the infrared heat radiates 360 degrees around the burner and reflects off the domed enclosure, thus forcing the heat down through the heat transfer pipes and into the bottom of the heat exchanger. Heat is trapped before circulating out of the exhaust vent. By slowing the exhaust of heat and reusing the energy multiple times, Eternal maximizes the transfer of energy without reducing water pressure. This multi-pass design allows the Eternal to achieve up to 98% thermal efficiency, which means for every dollar spent, 98 cents goes to heating the water. With Eternal, you get more than just a stream of endless hot water. You get the ability to run multiple applications at the same time, such as shower, dishwasher, or laundry machine, without losing water pressure. Eternal removes the limitations on how and when you use hot water. It reduces energy consumption and can help lower your utility bills. For more information on the Eternal Hybrid Water Heater, visit our website at www.eternalwaterheater.com or call us at 866-946-1096.